multiply the length times width times height, you will get the volume of a figure, right? Length times width times height gives you the volume. Length is long, height is high, width is wide. The volume measures all the cubic units inside. Length times width times height gives you the volume. Take a solid shape, one that's three-dimensional. Make a formula that's so simple. Length times width times height gives you the volume. Length times width times height gives you the volume. Psst. Psst. Hey, you! Over here! Hey, I need your help. Let's try to find out the
Okay, so if we help the cool guy volume of his cube, you saw there were 6 squares across the bottom, 3 squares back, and then 6 squares up. So our length was 6. Let's change my color. Our length was 6, our width was 3, and our height was 6. So we need to multiply those together, length times width times height, to find the volume. That'll give us 108. And we don't know what our units were each block, so we will say units times units times units. So it's units cubed, or cubic units. So just like area is always squared, volume will always be units cubed. Okay, so that's a cute little song for a cube, for a rectangular prism. Notice please that length times width, that was the area of our base, and our base was a rectangle in this case. And H stands for the height of the prism. So this is a three-dimensional prism, a rectangular solid. So on your notes, you'll see that we're going to be finding the volume of prisms. All right, the volume of a prism of any shape is going to be found by finding the area of the base. So capital B stands for the area of the base. For our cute little song, our base was a rectangle. Sometimes our bases are going to be triangles or trapezoids or any of the shapes that we've already learned, even circles. But stay tuned, we'll do circular bases in another section. So let's start with the 2 examples provided in your notes. So example A, find the volume. And the cute little song said volume is length times width times height. Well, this time it will work because our base here is another rectangle. So volume equals the area of the base times the height. And our base is a rectangle, so we find the area of a rectangle, length times width times then our height to finish out the whole volume formula. So what is our length? Our length is 3. What is our width? Our width is 4. What is our height? Our height of the whole prism here, the height is 6. So we'll multiply 3 times 4 times 6, and we end up with 72, and it was centimeters times centimeters times centimeters, so it's centimeters cubed. 72 centimeters cubed. All right, for example B, our base is not going to be a rectangle, so the cute little song we just learned will not work for example B. So that's why it's most important for you to remember the volume is the area of the base times the height. The height here, the height here is 4. Okay, so capital B stands for area of our base, and our base is a triangle. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 the base of the triangle times the height of the triangle. Okay, all of this is capital B. Then I have to multiply times the height of the whole prism. So let that soak in. Our triangle has a formula, 1/2 its base times its height. Then we take the outcome of that whole base right there times the height of the whole prism, which was 4. So as I plug my numbers in, I don't want to scroll too much, I'll have 1/2 9.8 meters times 5 meters, that times the 4-meter height of the prism. And when I punch that in my calculator, I get 98 meters cubed. So that is my volume for that triangular prism. I have 3 that I want you to try on your own. I did go ahead and set those up for you. Watch out for number 2 because it again is a triangular prism and not a rectangular prism where you can just do length times width times height. Number 2, you're going to have to take care of your triangle. This right here is taken care of. Let me highlight this. This is your triangle, 1/2 base times height. This triangle that's in green is what you got to take care of first, and then multiply times the height of the prism. So there they are set up for you. I will check tomorrow to see that you finished those 3 problems. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Have a great day.